Scholarships Corner. Scholarships Corner is back with a very interesting international fellowship opportunity in Morocco. But before we give you the details about the program,
don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel of Scholarships Corner. Click on subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates on new and interesting videos. Visit our community tab and join our Telegram channel for daily updates on your phone on a daily basis. Click on this link to subscribe to our Telegram channel.
in this video we will give you details about the IMF Youth Fellowship Program 2023. If you're a passionate and enthusiastic young person eager to unleash your abilities, discover new possibilities and make a lasting impression on the global stage, look no further than the IMF Youth Fellowship Program 2023. This fully funded fellowship offers a platform for young change makers to delve into pressing global economic issues, gain valuable insights and contribute to shaping policies that drive sustainable development. The International Fellowship Program is your gateway to an extraordinary journey of growth, empowerment and impact, primarily through attending workshops led by IMF management, senior staff, and external experts. Participants will gain invaluable insights and knowledge on building resilient and inclusive growth. You can see the full details about the program. Let's see the application criteria. An applicant should be between the age of 20 and 35 years as of October 15, 2023. They must have demonstrated experience in one or more of the following: social activism or engaging with a civil society organization, entrepreneurship or participating in a startup, content creation, influencer or contributing to independent platforms, have knowledge and expertise in international studies, basic economics and development issues, have graduated from or currently or be a student in the field of international relations and development, communications, economics or related fields, demonstrate good policy speaking and presentation skills, be a citizen of an IMF member country, have no current affiliation with government institutions, and not have previously been a fellow of the YFP. The timeline of the programs: in May, the applications will open. The last date to apply is June 30th. In July, selected participants will be informed, and by the week of October 9th, selected participants will attend the IMF YFP and IMF annual meetings in Marrakesh, Morocco. So, click on Apply to Fellowship here to start your application. The application process is pretty simple. You just have to add your first name, your last name, your email address, your cell phone number, your birth date. Are you between 20 and 35 years old? Select yes or no. Select your gender. What is your nationality? What is your native language? What is your country of residence? What is your occupation? Then add your education details, your LinkedIn profile. You have to add a statement of purpose of up to 1500 characters. You also have to upload a video statement of economic policy solutions. It should be a video of 30 to 60 seconds. You have to provide a transcript of your video, upload your CV, and will you be able to travel to Morocco on a week of October 9th? The travel and related expenses will be covered by the IMF. Select yes or no, and then click on register. This is a simple registration process and you'll be registered for the program. Thank you so much for interest in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.